Hello friends, my name is Lakshman Murlidhar Bilewar. So today we will discuss about method in Java. A method in Java is a block of code that when called perform specific action mentioned in it. For instance, if you have written instruction to draw a circle in the method, it will do that task. You can insert values or parameters into methods and they will only be executed when called. So how to name a method? A method name is typically a single word that should be a verb in lowercase or a multi-word that begins with a verb in lower case followed by an adjective form. Then rules to name a method. While defining a method, remember that the method name must be a verb and start with a lowercase letter. If the method has more than two words, the first name must be a verb followed by an adjective or noun. Then advantage of method. So advantage of method is code reusability, code optimization. Then method declaration. In general, method declaration have 6 components. First is modifier. In modifier there is a public, private, public, protected, private and default. Then next one is the return type, the data type of the value returned by the method or void. If does not return a value, it is mandatory in syntax. Then method name, the rule for field names apply to method names as well, but the convention is a little different. It is mandatory. Then parameter list, comma separated list of the input parameter is defined preceded by their data type within the enclosed parenthesis. If there are no parameters, you must use empty parenthesis. It is optional in syntax. Then exception list, the exception you accept by the method can throw, you can specify this exception. It is optional in syntax. Then method body, it is enclosed between braces. The code you need to be executed to perform your intended operation. Then types of methods in Java. There are two types of methods in Java: predefined and user defined. In predefined methods are the methods that is already defined in the Java class libraries is known as predefined methods. It is also known as the standard library method or built-in method. We can directly use this method just by calling them in the program at any point. Then user defined method. The method written by the user or programmer is known as a user defined method. These methods are modified according to the requirement. Then ways to create method in Java. There are two ways to create method. First is instant method, second is static method. Instant method access the instant data using the object name declared inside a class and access the static data using class name declared inside class with static keyword. Then method calling, the method needs to be called for use its functionality. There can be three situations when a method is called. The method returns to the code that invoked it when, and next one is it completes all the statements in the method. It reaches as return statement and throws an exception. Then that's all about methods in Java. So thank you.